Gombela. I am that poet who draws life with words, recites life like a poem. I am told dawn has suddenly reached day. Day has reached night. A girl, now a boy now a girl. But the mode of life has not changed. The world still brightens as created. It is man who has changed. I am told perfection is impossible, but trying is perfect. The heart now sees, the eyes now smells, the nose now talks, the mouth now thinks. There is an abnormality in life's brains. A chord of common sense has been drenched into an unknown wilderness. The world is trying to turn a moral wrong into a civil right. Some have even succeeded in doing so. I choose to call it the rectum chopping business. What on earth will trigger my libido to have sex with my sex mate? A man and a man, a woman and a woman. Homosexuality is a deviation from nature's paradoxical work. And whatever deviates from a norm becomes abnormality, and its actors become abnormal and qualified to be separated from normal society of right thinking and focus into jungles. How can I let go? That beautiful breast hanging on the chest of a woman, her rounded Coca-Cola hips, the sweet savory taste of her lips, her fashionable waist crafted into the circumference of a beautiful waist bead which begs her backside to shake in confusion from north to south, from south to east, from east to west, to the able movement of her legs and go for anals with bad smell and disease. So a woman should abandon the sexy body of a man with six packs, pink lips, the walking hair on his chest for what she has. Positive plus positive in an electrical circuit equals to nothing. But positive plus negative gives you something. A man plus a woman gives you a baby. A dog plus a bitch gives you a puppy. A bull plus a cow gives you a calf. But man plus man equals a distracted anal finster which manufactures feces accompanied by smelling fluid protected by pampers. Aite Powers once said that ability without mentality equals to barbarism. At first it made no sense, but now it does, because no union is more deep than marriage between a man and a woman. Love, devotion, sacrifice and family. If equal dignity is what they seek for in the eyes of the law, where lies dignity in homosexuality? Democracy is not anuscracy. Freedom is not foolishness. Intellectualism is not insanity. Homosexuality is a sudden giddy fit of recklessness which must be condemned by any right-thinking human being. Homosexuality is not marriage. The fact that people say it is does not make it so. Marriage is the lovely bond between a male and a female with a natural flow of procreation. Homosexuality denies the self-evident biological, physiological and psychological differences between men and women. Homosexuality denies the fundamental aim of marriage, the perpetuation of the human race. Two different things can never be equal. In the 1960s, society was pressured to accept all kinds of immoral sexual relationships between men and women. Today, we see a new sexual revolution where society is being asked to accept sodomy and same-sex marriage. By legalizing homosexuality, the state becomes its official promoter. Public schools will teach its acceptability to children. Punishment meted out to those who express disapproval. If homosexual marriage is universally accepted as the present step in sexual freedom, what logical argument will be used to stop the next step of incest? That is, mothers sleeping with their sons, fathers with their daughters, brothers with their sisters, and on and on.